All right, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about mortgage rates. This news came in on Monday. We're back up into the sevens. Mortgage rates jump back over 7 as the stronger economic data rolls in. If you haven't been paying attention for a while, the stock market's been on a tear since November, December. Mortgage rates went down into the 6s, but now they're back over 7. We got a pause in rates last week where people thought we were going to drop them, and what's that going to do to the market? I mean, I think everybody's kind of settled into where the rates are not the COVID rates anymore, but let's just go check it out. So what I've been seeing is that a lot of buyers were on the sidelines for a little bit, and they didn't really realize how much rates came down. To be honest, I didn't realize how quickly they came down either, but let's go check this out. 30-year mortgage hit 7% on Monday, according to Mortgage Daily News. The mortgage rates have been on a wild ride since the summer, briefly crossing the 20-year high of 8%. With an all-important spring housing market coming in, rates are more important than ever. Okay? They're always important, but the rates, it changes how much you are going to be able to afford drastically. So now that we're back into the 7s, let's just take a look about where the rates have been, because I think this makes a difference for, listen, if you were looking somewhere in, September, October, November, this is an 8% rate. You're a full point down over the month of November, December, and then all the way December 14th, 6.2%. Listen, we've been steadily climbing back up. They came all the way back to 6.63, shot back up a half point, basically. So this makes a difference for the buyers. Open houses, super busy when these rates were lower the last month. Let's see if this changes anything about what's going on. I mean, these mortgage rates don't follow the Fed directly, but they do follow the 10-year Treasury, which is heavily influenced by the Fed. So this rapid rate, let's check this out here. The rapid rate increase over the past 2 decades is actually not too surprising, given the fact that the market is widely seen overly optimistic on the Fed rate cut outlook. Listen, I got it wrong. I thought they were going to keep on dropping them, but I guess the job numbers and the stock market responded too quickly. The job numbers were really good. If you're following your stocks, I mean, some of these stocks are up 50, 30% from November in the last month. So they had too much money. The rates were too low. And the only thing that they can really do right now to combat this is the rates. So, quote, "The strong job market is good news for the spring buyer season, as higher household incomes are a necessary component, but also means that their mortgage rates are not likely to drop much further." And this is another thing too. When the stock market goes up, retirements, investing accounts go up, people feel richer too, so they can take that money out. If you had a little nest egg of, say, $100,000 2-3 months ago, that could be up to $150,000 right now. They could use towards a down payment. Also, tax returns are around the corner. People always use that money that they get back for either cars or houses. But we talked about this as well, but we had to go check out some of our other videos. But the median price of existing home in December was almost $382,000 compared to, as according to the National Association of Realtors. That's 4.4% up from 2002. And this goes for existing homes and also new homes to the market as well. So, just a 0.5% swing could cost the average buyer more than $200 a month. So if you're looking at the market right now, you haven't been paying attention to rates, maybe you were looking back when it's 8, you're back in the 7s, talk to your mortgage broker, see what your affordability is right now, and then check your savings account, check your stocks account, see if what that down payment might be a little bit higher than you thought. So that's it. Mortgage rates went back up. Nothing too not too interesting of a story, but definitely notable. Just keep on top of those interest rates when you're looking to buy a house. Message me. We got a team in Georgia, New York, and Jersey with Real Brokerage. MarketShop.com. Talk to you later. Bye.